So at United Engines, we provide a number of off-highway services. It could be as simple as an electrical repair on your engine or transmission up to a full rebuild of that engine or transmission. We support oil field services. It could be workover rigs, frac pumps, blenders, various pieces of oil field equipment across the board. So in the construction business at United Engines, we support rental equipment. A lot of equipment is powered with Deutz and Isuzu engines. We'll support that engine package. We work with our OEM partners very well. We communicate openly with them. They audit our operations. We pride ourselves in having factory-trained technicians to be able to perform these rebuilds and all these repairs. And we have access to all the latest products, updates, service information letters, and the latest technical information that's available. I want customers to have a good experience in our shop. It always feels good to read a review that a customer calls out one of our technicians at United Engines.